Stone Floor Cleaning Richmond by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in your living space. You want it to be clean, comfortable, and inviting. But no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get your stone floors to sparkle like they used to. You've tried everything from mopping to scrubbing, but nothing seems to work. Welcome to the world of Fabritec Stone Care. The ultimate solution for all your stone care needs. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless surfaces, and hello to a vibrant and radiant shine that will leave you breathless. Our team of experts are trained in the art of tile cleaning and natural stone cleaning. We understand the unique properties of each type of stone. We use only the best products to ensure a deep and thorough clean. Our secret? A combination of cutting-edge technology and time-tested methods that leave your floors looking like new. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to schedule your appointment and experience the Fabritec difference. Your floors will thank you. For the best value and quality, call 07798608640 now.